Hi, I have in front of me a Humax FVP-5000T power unit. It's available with low-cost small parcel delivery directly from freetv.ie. So let's just look at exactly why you would buy this. Well, if you come along, we'll say, and you've either lost or damaged the power unit for your Humax set-top box, you need to go and source one, and it can be quite difficult to find. So that's why we filled a niche on the market by providing these. So we've tested them extensively with our own units. They work perfectly. So what we have with it is a 3-pin plug here. We have the main event here, which is 12 volts and up to 5 amp output, and then we have an output cable here. So the standard cable, we're using an adapter on it, just slides on like that. And the reason we need to use that is not by chance. Humax have specified a non-standard connector on their set-top boxes, so different really than any other boxes on the market. This one's specifically designed for that size of pin, so it'll slide directly in, and once you plug it directly in, you're just back in operation again. So it's part of a much wider range of Humax and other power units available directly from freetv.ie.